we'll start with turtleneck. Whee! Let's go!
It stacks with crab.
Oh, it does! Okay. Crab too!
Yippee!
Yeah, this one's white. The crab has this flesh that's...
I'm just gonna hit him.
I didn't buy daggers. My judgment was so clouded by piss.
It's okay, we don't need it.
Why are you throwing at us?
It's so weird. I can just mark and it does something similar.
Okay. No! What if we had both? What happened?
I missed the crit.
Oh no!
Like,
Okay.
listen,
Many such cases. More turtleneck. Another crab!
Ew, Iron Ice is stinky and he's rotting. It's so gross. Oh, crit. Nice. Oh, friendship. Warming stone, please.
Yay!
I didn't use a single flask.
Oh, nice. Used one.
Oh! Oh! I'm gonna kill myself. Wait, no. I'm going to live. I'm going to live.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do crab. Turtleneck.
This guy's gonna scream at us. Wait, can you dodge the doors? Dude, he's so sneaky as well.
So gross and nasty. Okay, I'm gonna buff you two, and then I'm gonna get it right.
Okay.
Go. Oh. Crab. Neck. I have no more turtleneck, but I do have crab. Yippee!
Awesome. You're goated.
We're getting so good.
It's not me.
Okay. I have no more turtleneck, but I do have crab. I may die. No. Oh. Oh, we're so back. Turtleneck sweep. I mean, not turtleneck, sorry. Crab sweep.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
I'm like the lady class.
Me too.
3.
We did it. We did it. You're finally done the scholar.
Yeah! Hey, I got a headband!
You're finally. You
I did it. Oh my god.